Hello everyone, my name is Haris Rahmat Fauzi and my metric number is 281642, and I'm going to introduce you to what are we going to present today. Nowadays, the idea of sustainability has gained wider recognition by most companies and businesses, and business operations are conducted mostly under the guidance of that is satisfying our own needs without diminishing the chances of future generation. There's no denying that the term sustainability poses new challenges for businesses' activities. Any companies expecting long-term benefits must be responsible for the environment and ecosystem and function in an ethical way. In the new sustainable era, more and more companies have realized the importance of environmental policies and practices towards sustainability, expecting to reduce their footprints on the environment. To understand better about the company's sustainable development process, managerial hierarchy, we are as a group creating Profit, a sustainable company that focusing on sneakers for active and lifestyle purposes. This presentation is intended to achieve some conclusion by summarizing overall company purpose, production process, managerial placement, in the way it approaches sustainability issues and provides certain kinds of solving to improve the company's future sustainability performance. So, shall we start right now?
My name is Roslida Binti Rosdi and metric number 280785. Vision means one statement focused on tomorrow and what an organization wants to ultimately become. It is the ability to a better future that does not yet exist. As we know, every company commonly have the vision statement because it is so important to evoke a sense of spirit. One of the important is to give some motivate for employees to work hard to improve their organization performance. The purpose of vision is to achieve goals in a long term, which is more than 5 years. The vision statement can help my company achieve their goals and creating something to determine in the future. Profit company have some vision which is achieving excellence. We can promote and introduce our product around the world. As we know, sneakers have a high demand in the market, which means it has a potential to be success. We believe that the product give profit that can cover all the money that our company have invested to design and produce our product. Next, the manager or employees will create a long-term plan for quality improvement. The specialties of our product are the user can customize sneakers with their own taste. It can customize with their pattern, size or colors. We can make our sneakers special and unique compared to our competitors. Vision that stated above is our main company's vision. Our hope is to achieve excellence in every angle, such as leadership, organized company, and positive attitude. We will do our best to make that successful completion happen.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nardani Sofiani bin Shamli, and my metric is number 280773. I would like to present about a mission. A mission means a brief statement of why a company operates and what its ultimate purpose is to decide the objective of its operation. The goal of a mission statement is to express to its workers, clients, the intent, and the directions of the organization. Our company products brand namely Profit. Our mission for this brand is to make a comfortable sneaker that is perfect for all ages and create a brand based on sustainability, high standards of integrity, and the use of renewable resources that can grow into a known brand for anyone who likes fashion, which is top of the list.
My name is Lim Huiyan. My metric number is 280770. My partner Intan and I represent the part of our company's objectives. First, environmental. In manufacturing, our company Profit installs some smoke filters on the chimney to reduce the amount of smoke and no harmful substances are emitting along with the factory smoke. Our company launches the first 100% recycled high-quality running sneakers. The sneakers are made from recycled TPU material which is called polyurethane thermoplastic. Besides, our company manages rubber waste to keep the environment from being polluted is by ordering high-quality synthetic rubber and only ordering according to the required quantity in 1 month. The packaging also uses the same route which it can be recycled and easy to dispose of by choosing cardboard as a box for a pair of sneakers. Second, balanced economy. A balanced economy shows that in the long term, economic growth is sustainable. The most common form of production technology will consider the relationship between inputs and outputs within a company. Our company produces a type of sneakers that has values to satisfy the needs of the consumers. Low inflation is good for every country because the costs of necessary goods are stable. An unstable economy consumes a high percentage of income. A stable economy will save a lot of income to fund future investment and production capabilities. Our company imports the inputs such as the raw material and machines from the other country to produce the sneakers. Hence, our company needs to pay some taxes such as import duty, so our company will increase the selling price of the sneakers to ensure our company will gain profit from selling our products. This will cause the demand quantity to become decreasing and the rate of inflation occurs in Malaysia also will reduce. Consequently, the economy of Malaysia will be developed.
My name is Intan Nazira Huda binti Zakir, metric number 280899. I want to continue presentation on the objective of Profit Company. The third is social needs. Profit Company also has a specific objective to the wearer by emphasizing comfort, multi-purpose sneakers and following the latest trend. Our company produces comfortable sneakers by using synthetic rubber for a sole. It gives many advantages to the wearer, which protects the wearer. It is more flexible and suitable for all weather conditions and easy to care for. It is very comfortable to wear in the long run because the material used to make the sneakers very light and suitable for both men and women regardless of age. Fourth, which is the last objective, it is supply chain. The raw material we use in the production of these sneakers, we have ordered from the supplier to send to our factory every month. For the supplier as well, Profit Company was instructed to sign a code of conduct pledging to ensure there is no problem of inadequacy of raw materials from our factory that can interfere with sneakers production. For manufacturers, it also requires to sign the Code of Conduct pledging to adhere to standards in environmental, lowering waste and emphasizing the suitability of the wearer.
The definition of management and organization. Management can be defined as the method of managing and controlling the affairs of an organization, regardless of its nature, type, function, and scale. It is derived from Italian word managere, which means to handle. Management has 5 functions based on Henry Fayol as one of the first theories to define the function of management. Those are planning, organizing, commanding, coordinating, and controlling. While organization refers to a collection of people who are involved in pursuing defined objective. In general, organization will utilize certain resources in order to achieve their goals. Organization in business is a very important element in a better development plan.
My name is Sharina Naidu Manogaran and my metric number is 280512. Now, I'm going to talk about the first step of function management, which is planning. Planning involves deciding in advance what has to be done, when, how, and whom it has to be done, and how the results are to be evaluated. The planning process helps our profit company to identify the goals and objectives to be achieved. For example, our company manager throughout the organization has developed goals, strategy, and operational plan for their group work that contribute to the success. Planning also helps us to identify the current and future opportunities and problems easily. There are 3 main types of plans that our company managers are using, which include strategic, tactical, and operational. First, the strategic plans, which is design and execute plans to color an image of the future and long-term goals of the organization. Essentially, strategic plans look ahead to where the organization to be in 3, 5, even 10 years. As a top-level manager, the CEO using strategic progressing to make sure the long-term goals of the company and also tend to want multi-level involvements so that every level of the organization can play their roles. Next is cited as tactical plans, which is support the strategic plans by translating them into specific plan relevant to an explicit area of the organization. Tactical plans are concerned with the responsibility and functionality of the lower level departments to satisfy their parts of the strategic plan. As an example, the middle level manager, who are the designing manager, designs and makes various varieties of sneakers,
which is follows new trends. This could help to extend the productivity of the corporate. Aside from that, the marketing manager also can help to extend the sales by hosting a fashion show with participation of fashionistas or famous model to make awareness of our company's sneakers line among public people. Customers also eagerly will buy our sneakers when a famous model or an actor is recommended. As a tactical planner, they have to form a group of calculated actions that take a shorter amount of time and help to bring the organization closer to the long-term goal. Last one is operational plans that are focused on particular process and procedures that occur within the bottom levels of the organization. The primary line manager is to blame for operational planning, which is scheduling employees every week, assessing ordering and stocking inventory, creating a monthly budget, and outlining an employee's performance goals for the year. In conclusion, the planning is incredibly important for profit company for attain the goals and objective.
My name is Siti Sarah binti Hazani and my metric number is 280818. I am going to present one of the management function that is leading. Leading is motivating others in order to contribute to corporate and community objective. In order to achieve objective more efficiently, a leader needs to lead his subordinate. Managers should become responsive leaders in order to improve critical issues. Since leadership implies followership, individuals prefer to obey a leader who can satisfy their own wants, expectations, and desires. In Profit Company, we use a democratic form of leadership. Using this type of leadership, we are able to dig up the imagination of our workers so that our sneakers is the preference of people. It will also give rise to confidence and dedication among our employees in the company. A democratic leadership style will get people to do what they are doing, but in a way they want to do it. To appreciate the hard work of the employees, as a leader, we should reward our employees, such as raising wages, giving holiday tickets, and having banquets and others. Through doing so, they can improve their productivity, strengthen the team spirit of work, and create a positive employer brand. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Nur Farhin binti Yusuf with metric numbers 280612. I will talk about our company's organization, but first and foremost, let me explain a little bit about what is organization. Organizing is the function of management that a formal system of tasks and reporting motivates the organization's member so that they can work together to achieve the goals. Organizing is where decisions are made, who will do that job, who will do this task, and then who will work for whom. Also, the way resources will assemble. Profit Company is a full-fledged business entity with a lot of departments for separate tasks like manufacturing, designing, sales, marketing, and accounting. So the work positions are divided into various departments. Our company is using functional organization, which has been divided to place the specialists among highest position. This structure helps in maintaining quality and uniformity of our performance of various functions throughout the corporate. As for Profit Company, the owner is referred to CEO, who sits on the highest position of the corporate, and he is one who appoints all the opposite members of the managerial team and also the director of board of the company. Next, the managing director, who holds the best important position as far as operation, management, and administration. He also supervises various departments like financial, marketing, and sales. Managers are required to handle and make sure that every goal is reached within the given time frame and budget. Each department is headed by a chief or manager who manage the activities like office manager, assistant manager, quality controller, supervisor, and also technical head. Each department has many job positions like marketing manager, sales executive, accountant, sneaker designer, sneaker manufacturer, sneaker developer, and technical managers. Other than that, resources management is also the organization function. As an example, human resource management, which deals with hiring, performance management, administration, and training. In conclusion, for professional feed company, organizing is important to bringing efficiency, and from this, we can clearly see how our company's potential growth. That's all from me on how Profit Company's organization is. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Nur Azatul Amira binti Noh, matric number 280780. Right now, I'm going to share about the management function which is controlling. What is the meaning of controlling? Control is one of the main roles of the manager. In order to see the desired outcomes from the subordinates, the manager needs to exert effective control over the behavior of the subordinates. So, there are 4 steps that profit company needs to do. First, establishing standard. Profit company needs to set their standard clearly and must comply with the company's mission, business goal, and organizational leadership, and be regularly applied throughout the company. This step will gain trust among our client that the company operates at a strong and consistent quality standard. Second, measurement of actual performance. The manager of profit company measure the actual performance or outcomes of an entity against its attended objective. So the result should be calculated on the same basis as the standard. Then comparison of actual performance with the standard. Profit manager need to compare the difference between the real and the standard of the production. To make a comparison, the manager will depend on the report submitted by the staff that is the actual result of the output. Last but not least, taking corrective action. The manager may correct any defects in the actual result, which is if the deviations are within reasonable limits, no corrective action is taken. But if the deviation reach appropriate limits, we need to take the corrective action. Thank you.
In this presentation, we already explained our company profit in management, production, and organizational aspects. After this presentation is already done, which is now, a clear understanding of the importance of good management and organization in any type of organization is going to be gained. This presentation includes explanation of how company background, how profit start as a company, and a detailed explanation about profit as a management in terms of human and material source, and also includes vision and mission of the company, and also subjectives and objectives view of profit as a company. Effective management placement and function also described in this presentation, including the planning, organizing, leading, and controlling aspects of the organization. That's it from our group. Thank you so much for paying attention. If you have any question, please ask it directly to us. Once again, thank you.